I am down here at Expo City at the COP28 Startup Village. 150 high-growth organizations from around the world are here to showcase what they are doing for climate change and environment. The best thing about it, it's a collaboration between businesses, investors, government, and policymakers. Let's check out what they've got for us. I'm here with the CEO and co-founder of Gecko Robotics, Mr. Jake Lusrarian. Tell us a little bit about your organization.
Great to be here. Thanks for having me. Gecko Robotics builds artificial intelligence software that's actually enabled by robotics. You can kind of see them climbing up on the walls, and then we have a dog robot outside. But what we do with that information and data that we collect with robots is help to predict when the built world might fail or have catastrophic failures. So quite impactful as it relates to all the things that we're talking about here at COP.
Incredible. And what's been the impact here at COP?
Well, I think the impact is just the access to such incredible business leaders. So I've had a lot of bilaterals with energy leaders, as well as manufacturing and government leaders that are directly applicable and are looking for technology that our company can help supply.
I'm here with the manager of Avant. Hi, Chris.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. Thanks so much for being with us today. Can you tell us a little bit more about Avant?
Yes, of course. So we are Avant. We are a biotech startup. We focus on cultivated meats, particularly cultivated fish. We have a couple of bases around the world, one in Hong Kong and one in Singapore.
Amazing. And tell us a little bit about how biodegradable fish and the cultivation of it is contributing to a more sustainable world.
As far as sustainability is concerned, now we know that our seas today are overfished, and we also pollute the seas a lot. So these fish are also eating the same pollutants that we throw into the sea. So what we have done with our fish is we don't have any of these pollutants in our products. We don't have antibiotics, we don't have microplastics and heavy metals. So that's how we, I suppose, indirectly contribute to sustainability, at least in the fishing industry.
I am joined by the CEO and co-founder of Living Carbon, Maddie Hall. Maddie, thank you very much for joining us on the show.
Of course.
Thanks. Can you tell us a little bit about Living Carbon?
Yeah, so Living Carbon is a climate change biotech company that develops trees that capture and store more carbon. So you can actually see the trees behind you right here. They're photosynthesis enhanced trees that grow faster, capture more CO2, and do well in high temperature and drought conditions.
Oh, incredible. And how is this contributing towards a sustainable world?
Yeah, so we specifically focus on deploying our trees on land where trees don't have a high rate of natural regeneration. So sites of human degradation, abandoned mine lands, degraded agricultural land, those are the areas in which we're planting our photosynthesis enhanced trees, which allow those trees to, and that land to naturally have more carbon being sequestered and the ecosystem restored.
Incredible. And what's been your experience with COP28 so far? How are you finding it?
COP28 has been crazy, honestly. It's very exciting because there's so much, but it's also a little bit overwhelming because there's so much to see and do. We came to COP because we really wanted to understand what the international demand for our trait and technology looked like. So getting a sense of what's the most important when thinking about tree planting on degraded land, what traits and technologies is the international community, and especially the Global South and Middle East, very interested in us working on. And we've learned a lot about the importance of drought resilience in the type of trees and technologies that we develop in the future.
Once again, the UAE's commitment to technology and innovation remains unprecedented, with the very own Startup Village showcasing 150 high-growth startups from around the world that are combating environmental, climate change, and many, many more right here at COP28 in Expo City, Dubai.